Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Shopmas. Today is day 3. I will have linked below last year's playlist as well as this year's playlist. We've only done 2 days so far, but so far we're on track. So what I'm doing in this video is a what's in my kids' stocking video. So I have a boy and a girl, so that's pretty helpful, I think, because then you get the best of both worlds. Now the kids are a little bit older, so I have a 10-year-old boy and a 14-year-old girl, and then I also have a 20-year-old daughter, which I will do in a separate video. But if you're enjoying Shopmas this year, please like the video and let me know what you think. And if you've got any ideas, I'd love to hear them. I still have like 12 more days of videos to do, so yeah, we'll see what happens. So I just have them in tote bags right now. Of course, nothing fancy because that's not what we're doing here. So the first thing I have for my stepson is this Pez dispenser. It's a Wawa truck. I got this in Richmond, and designer Jen wanted to go to Wawa and get one of these for herself. I think she got some for her kids too. And I thought this would be perfect because it looks like you can actually play with the truck after you eat the candy. So I think that would be fun. And he loves Pez. So that was only a couple of dollars. Then I got him a G.I. Joe. His dad picked this up for him. Sorry for the shadow in here. Usually I film it in front of my tree, but my living room is out of commission right now. It's not out of commission. I just can't film in front of my tree today. So sorry for the lighting, but here is a G.I. Joe. My boyfriend picked this up for him. He played with G.I. Joe as a kid, and he thought he would really like this. So I got this at Walmart. Then I got him these 2 little heads. This is a Halo Mega Constructs guy. Inside of it I think there is enough pieces or parts to build a Halo guy. So I got him 2 of these. I got them on clearance at Walgreens for just a couple of dollars. Mainly that's what I do for their stockings, is I get stuff throughout the last few months, mainly at Walgreens, Walmart. But we went to Menards this year and we actually got lots of good stuff. So we got some, like, I don't know, more like classic toys, I guess you could say. So we got him this whistle. It's a slide whistle. Got him a slide whistle. And he loves to make noise. And he loves to pester his sister. So we got them each one because we thought that they would have fun with it. So then I got him this little hand puppet. It is a shark. He loves sharks. There you go. Those 2 items I got at Menards. If you're unaware of what Menards is kind of like a Home Depot, but there's also, they do have a big section of like toys and games and stuff and grocery items and things like that. So I really like Menards. So then we also got him this Squish Monster. We got a lot of their stuff at Menards this year. We got a lot of really cool games, but we got this guy here. I wasn't sure how much this guy was, but none of the stuff that we got at Menards was super expensive. So if you have a Menards in your area, don't discount it. Don't exclude it, or you know what I mean? Because we just found some good stuff there. Then I found these sonic sound magnets, and yeah, we thought he'd have fun with those too. It says, try these tricks, and it shows you how to do some tricks with it on the back. So yeah, just fun little stuff to kind of keep their hands busy. And then the last item I got him was a pop socket. He just got his own phone this year, and so I thought we could put a pop socket on his phone. So then I just got him some candy. The one thing I got him was these M&M sugar cookies. I got these in Richmond. I haven't seen them around here. So it's these sugar cookie M&Ms. I got one for him and one for her, but she's got a different flavor. And I haven't seen them around here. I got him a hot chocolate bomb. I got this at Walgreens when they very first come out. They didn't even know how much they were when I got them. So they gave it to me for like, I think like $1. Then we went to Michael's and we found some fun candy one day. So we got him some snowman poop in a little snowman tin. We got him a Fruity Pebbles candy bar. He loves Fruity Pebbles. And then we got him a mini gummy taco. And these were all at Michael's at the checkout lane. So this is actually a little bit more than what we normally get him, but I don't think we spent more. This is actually quite a bit more than we normally get him, but the most that we spent on him was for this G.I. Joe. I think this was $12, but that's only because his dad really wanted him to have one. But yeah, it was weird with that hot cocoa bomb at Walgreens. They were just starting to set their Christmas stuff out, and when they rang it up, it wouldn't ring up. So they're like, well, do you know how much it was? And I said, honestly, no. There wasn't, you know, anything on the little stand that they were on, and so they really just gave it to me for almost nothing. And I think they're like $2.99, which I don't think is terrible, and I don't know if they're any good or not. But the kids absolutely love hot cocoa bombs. So next I have my stepdaughter's stocking. She is 14 and she likes quirky, out of the box, different things. She loves all those funky flavors of things. So I'm going to be holding stuff up in front of my face because holding it over here creates a shadow. So anyways, the first thing I got her was when this very first come out. So she's probably already had it by now. But this is the Mountain Dew gingerbread snapped. I actually tasted it. It's okay. But yeah, we figured she would definitely love this. I don't get Andrew stuff like this because he's very particular about what he likes and what he doesn't like, and he's really not the funky flavor type of child, so that's totally fine. So then next I got this little fox succulent. I got it at Walgreens. I love getting stuff at Walgreens when it's on clearance. This was in the fall clearance. It was 49 cents. 49 cents for this little thing, and this is totally something that she would love in her room. We recently redid her room, and she is like going from a little kid room to a big kid room, and we're giving her these shelves, and she would love that type of stuff on it. So the next thing that we got her was this Coca-Cola lip smacker set. This reminds me of something that I would have gotten, but I kind of want this for myself too. So it is just a Coca-Cola lip smacker set. It has Coke lip gloss, cherry Coke lip gloss, vanilla Coke, and Sprite. And they all just sound good. So we got this at Walmart. It was $4.98. Then the next thing I got her was a Starbucks cup. She is always stealing my Starbucks cups, and so she loves them just as much as I do. So I got her this cup here. And so she will definitely love this. And this is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. She also loves Nightmare Before Christmas, so I got her this little thingy at Walgreens. It says Deadly Nightshade on it, and this was 90% off, so it was 99 cents. So if you ever shop at Walgreens, try to get there for their 90% off, maybe 70% off. It just depends on how far they go, you know, down the line. But I get a lot of really good stuff there, a lot of good gifts there, and this was in their Halloween and fall clearance items, and yeah, I love it. I've gotten a lot of stuff there myself, like this thing here. I got this probably 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's a little phone stand. I use it like every day on my vanity, and I got it there, and it was like 19 cents, so there you go. So the next thing we got her was a Pikachu ornament, but honestly, you could put this on like your backpack or something, and you could just hang it, you know what I mean? But she could do whatever she wants with it, but she loves Pokemon, so we thought this would be cool. I think we got this at Michael's. I'm not 100% on that. But anyways, it doesn't really look like it could be an ornament, so it could be used for anything. So we thought that would be a good find. Then we also got her a slide whistle. I know she's 14, but yeah, we thought this would be funny for them. Because they love to, I know they're getting older, but sometimes they really get into a mood and they would blow those at each other and just have a ton of fun with it. So definitely wanted to give them that. Then I also got her a hot cocoa bomb, but this one is salted caramel. If you've had these, let me know if they're any good or not. But yeah, this one is a salted caramel one, and so she would definitely love that. Then another thing that I thought I would throw in her stocking is I got this down in Richmond, Virginia with everyone, and we went to Trader Joe's, and I thought about just saving these and using, you know, having them for us, but I thought she would really enjoy these, and these were only like $3.99. They were under $5, and these are these hot cocoa sticks. It's a dark chocolate. How fun is that? Would be on like a coffee bar or something like that. But anyways, this is for her, and you just stir the stick into hot milk. So I do believe these were either $2.99 or $3.99, but these were super, super cheap. Then we just got a couple things left. Now I got these M&Ms for her also in Richmond, but these are not any that I've seen around here. These are snowballs. These are white chocolate and pretzel. So thought she would like those. We also got her at Michael's. We got her the Fruity Pebbles bar as well. Kids are, yeah. Then we also got her some gummy sushi. She loves sushi, Japanese things. So there you go with that. Oops. And then we got her a gummy taco as well. So yeah, that's what I got for her. So that is everything that I have for them. I can also do a video for my boyfriend and his stocking. And then of course I will be doing my daughter's stocking as well. So I really hope that this gave you some ideas that you can do. I hope you have a Menards, because we probably spent a good hour, hour and a half, me and my boyfriend, looking at all the toys and the games. We found a really cool game, and it's called Shut the Box. If you've ever heard of it, let me know, because it's such a fun game. Very simple, very easy that anybody can play, and it'll keep you entertained for quite a while. So I think that game was there for $8, and it's made out of wood. So yeah, super, super fun. And that is really everything, guys. So I hope you liked the ideas. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys all in the next Shopmas video. Bye, guys. So what I'm doing in this video is a what's in my kid's stocking video. Then I got him these two little heads. Oops, we're dropping stuff. I also got, what was I gonna say? I have no idea. But anyways.